So what's up, guys? We're back with another video for today. So today I'm going to be showing you how to screen record on your iPhone. It took me a while to find out how to do it. I watched two videos that sort of explained it. So let's get into it. So you can go over to your settings. So I kind of forgot, so just stay with me. So go to your control center, and then you can hit customize controls, and then right here, it should be down in here where all the green pluses are, and it'll look like screen recording. It'll look like that one, but it'll be down here. I have it up there for now because I'm using my phone. So you just hit the plus on the side. So yeah, then you go out of it, and then you go over here, slide up, hold it, and it'll say microphone audio on or off. So like it's on now for me, so you guys could hear me. And I could just hit stop recording, but you could just go to the top where the red bar is, hit the red bar, and then yeah. So remember, guys, that this is a video, guys. So remember, go over and tell your friends, like and subscribe.